Hi, I'm Rebecca Kiessling. I'm the mother of Caleb, forever 20, and Kyler, forever 18, who lost their lives to fentanyl poisoning on July 29th, 2020, along with 17-year-old Sophia Harris. I just testified yesterday before Congress about the deaths of my two sons to fentanyl poisoning at a hearing on the issues at the southern border. I'm shocked to see the video today as President Biden talked about a congresswoman who misspoke when she said that my children's deaths are the cause of President Biden's policy failures. My children died about 6 months before he became president. And there have been failed policies from many administrations and from Congress for far too long, ever since there was a surge in drug deaths due to fentanyl, I believe mostly beginning around 2013. So this has been a problem for a long time. And as President Biden was speaking about this mother who lost her two sons, he starts to laugh and says that, well, it turns out that they died before I ever even became president. Like, really? This is how you speak about the death of my sons? Because a congresswoman misspoke? You mock the loss of my sons. How dare you? What is the matter with you? Almost every Democrat on the committee offered me condolences. They at least had the decency to do that. You can't even do that? You have to mock my pain? And then what about the 22% increase in fentanyl deaths since you became president, since you changed your policy at the borders? That represents tens of thousands of U.S. citizens who died under your watch, an increase in tens of thousands, and that represents even double that number of the parents who are suffering. Are you going to keep laughing about those who did die under your watch? Do we have to bring them in so you can look them in the eyes and laugh? What is wrong with you? This is unacceptable, and our president needs to apologize to me, and he needs to be held accountable. And I wish that he would show some serious concern for the lives of those lost. I think that his behavior today speaks volumes, and it tells you where his heart is. Do something. Don't be a coward. Do something.